Hey guys, so today I'll be doing something different. So I'll be biking today, just to change it up a little. I borrowed a friend's bike. Don't worry, doing social distancing and making sure that I'm safe and not putting others at risk, because that's kind of dumb. Yeah, as you can see, we're like 6 feet apart. She's right there, I'm right here, and yeah. So I started biking from my house. I'm gonna bike until my school. I think it's about 13 miles there and back. So I'm gonna try and go as fast as possible. And yeah. So now we're gonna cross the street. There she is right there. I'm still in front, so just that stuff. Alright, there she goes. Now let's see if we can catch up, but like keep our six feet. Yeah, I was that one. The one where you almost crashed last time? Yeah, that's the one. Nope, I was safe. Yo, 6 feet, go faster. Come on. There we go. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. Alright, so it's like a back view, putting in that work, biking out here. Ooh, squirrel. There's some nice scenery. The infected park. I think that there might be. Wow, okay, you're flexing now, huh? Just because you can bike without your hands, I can't, but I can only do one hand. I'm not that good. Your back gets tired. How does your bike get tired? That doesn't make sense. Wait, how much time do we have until we have to make it back? 20 minutes. Okay, so we have 35 minutes. We have 35 minutes to make it back. So we're not even halfway close to the school. So I mean, let's see how it goes. So now we're gonna speed up and just like zoom real quick, right? All right, pick up the pace. Come on, 6 feet. 6 feet. Social distancing. Be careful of the car. Oh. I can probably pass it right here. Let's see if I can do the pass. Okay, wait. Gotta change the gears. I'm coming on the left. Don't block me. That's cheating. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, guess I just got beat? Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Okay. Oh, we still have a lot of time. She's still behind us real quick right there. Come on, let's go. Anda. Why are you always trying to run over squirrels? 5? Oh, of course it smells like fries. It's Chick-fil-A. There we go, guys. You see that? Wait, oof. Let me zoom in real quick. You see that? There we go. TWHS is Highlander strong. Keep your chin up, boys. Okay, so we made it. So now we're gonna bike back as fast as possible and see if we can. What time is it? 4:55. We have 20 minutes to make it back from the Woodlands High School all the way to almost Darrington in 20 minutes by bike. And usually the time that it takes is 30 minutes, I think. So let's see if we can make it. Okay, so we're out of time, but we're still gonna try and go as fast as we can. But yeah, just because she slowed down, so she slowed me down, Yeah, you always slow me down anyway, but yeah, you're behind me, right? Cause you're slow, right? No. Yeah. So let's get it. Yo, don't try and speed up now, cause you still won't catch me, though. You know that? Shit. Okay. What's up, bro? Some guys from my school. Some guys from my school. Oh my god. It's more my school than yours. It's okay. You don't have to be jealous about it. I mean, I let you pass because I had to see those guys' faces. Yeah, but I'll beat you, don't worry. Because you know, out here where EDS Legacy, Evolve, Dominate, and Succeed, right? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, move to the left though. I don't want to hit you, you know? Ah. Oh my god. Woo. Okay, we took a shortcut. Hey Jasper, what's up, bro? Nice to see you, bro. Yo, slow down, Maria. I'm not tired, bro. Ah. Who's tired now? See. Just need to pass you real quick. Yep. Bye, Mireya. See you at home, huh?